she has very interesting, constructive speech. Because after listening her speech, I try to remember, I consciously remembered what kind of crazy things I did in my life. Because everybody has had this sort of thing in their life, I think, I'm sure. So the beginning was by us, by informing about your, how many times she's coming here. I think it was okay because in order to inform the audience that she's a newcomer. And she started telling about her school time, what kind of crazy things she did. And the one thing what I like is, at the end of the body, she says that I now realize what kind of bad, good, or useful things she did in her life. It means that she's a proactive person, which means that her speech gave me enough information to make some sort of conclusion about yourself. Because it's very important when you're giving icebreaker speech, the main idea is to get to know about that person. What kind of person is he or she, character, background, future plans, and so on. I think from her speech, I could get enough information to make a conclusion what kind of person is she and what are her future plans. 1 second. And she mentioned one thing that I did a lot. I think, I'm not sure that whether she did it intentionally or not. She says that I did a lot of crazy things in order when I become, let's say, when I become grandfather, there should be something to tell to my grandchildren. I think it's actually a very good idea because if you don't do some sort of crazy thing in the future when you become old or when you get retired, there should be something interesting to tell your grandchildren. So I would recommend her several things. Firstly, she has to have more self-confidence and giving space. Okay? It's very important, as Yadika has already mentioned, you have to use the space. Why not? Use a gesture. Unfortunately, I couldn't see this in your speech. I think it's the first time, but next time take it into account. Gestures, voice was okay. What I would recommend you to read or watch video clips on YouTube by popular politicians or famous people. You can get a lot of information about the structure of the sentence, phrases they use, because the level of speech is very high. I personally like this. And intonation and pause in your speech. I think it's very important to use intonation and way necessary to pause for a while to see the people. What is their reaction? That's it. Thank you very much for your interesting speech.